Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have a 1975 Corvette with 14,500 actual miles. This car is a survivor, true one-owner car. I have the original title from the day it was sold new. I have all sorts of documentation, the window sticker, invoice, warranty booklet. It's all right here. It's an L82, awesome color combination, red with silver leather interior, air-conditioned car. Got a really nice survivor right here. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs top to bottom and see all the, you'll read all the specs, see pictures top to bottom, and that's where you can find the price. Not only on this car, we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. That way you're notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in this 75 Corvette. I do have the original wheels. They're actually sitting right off to the side. These are American Racing wheels. The rally wheels were put right in the American Racing boxes. I don't know how many decades ago, but we have the original rally wheels in the American Racing rim boxes. So those will go with the car. These are vintage wheels, but the original rallies will go with the car. Underneath this car, they have something called benchmark status. That's when you refer to a car that is benchmarked to see how it was originally. If you want to know what type of clamp or clip or this or that. I'm not a Corvette judge, but to me that's what the bottom of this car looks like. It's really well preserved. It has the assembly line crayon markings still written on various parts and components. The original gas tank still has the ink stencil stamp on it. The raw fiberglass floors has a painted stencil with the date on the floors. So many features underneath are original. I mentioned the floors are raw. They're not supposed to be painted over. They're just raw fiberglass. That's how these are. And they're in excellent shape. The rear spare tire carrier is in mint condition. We dropped it down to look at the spare. I don't think the spare's ever been out of there. It still has the ink on the tread of the tire. The exhaust system has been worked on. The tailpipes and mufflers are new. The transmission is a turbo 400 automatic. Its VIN number matched to this car. It still has the tag riveted to the side of it. The rear end is original to this car. It has 336 gears. Of course, it's four-wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes. Included in the documentation are the maintenance records. At one time, like 15 years ago, I think it was, the brakes were redone. You look up at the motor. It's not fresh Chevy orange. It's just original, but there's no grease. The whole front end, all the components are just nice and clean. The closer you look at it, there's a little rubber seal stapled in place. Stuff like that just over time ends up missing or ruined or damaged. But underneath this car is really well preserved original condition. The starter is the original. I even matched the part number, and the date code matches this car. The body is in really nice shape. It's a red car. It's got the L82 motor. The only thing that's been painted is the bumpers. The two rubber bumpers were repainted. The car itself is original paint, and considering it's original, I'd say it's excellent. Next to a show car, no, it's not perfect. But there's no damage. Hood fits really nice. There are some ashes on the paint. Someone was burning something outside and they were floating around in the air. Headlights fit real nice. I don't see any damage. I don't see any cracking. This is all in really nice shape. There's some touch-up right here. And various little tiny nicks. Some little specks. Nothing to speak of. The finish is a little fuzzy. That's probably how they were when they were new. The hood fits spot on. Door fits really well. This is all real nice. Rocker molding's real nice. Door handles still bright and shiny. Windshield's crystal clear. Has a 1979 city sticker right there. All this is nice, no damage. There's a touch-up. Here's a little touch-up. Couple little ones there. Got the luggage rack is mint. The paint looks really nice across here. The original antenna's mint. The lenses are mint. Rear window's crystal clear. Yeah, this side is real nice. The mirror is mint. The pillars, the stainless trim are real nice. But I really like the silver interior. That's kind of an odd combination, but I really like it because it works and it's different. The jambs are really good. The rubber is still real good. It has some old oil change stickers. There's 3 of them right there. The leather seats are still real nice and soft leather. The carpets, everything's really nice in here. There's a tilt telescopic wheel. The original AM/FM radio from here just looks brand new. The whole center console, all the bezels, heater control, shifter, all excellent. It has power windows. As a rear window defogger, it's an actual blower that blows across the back window. Motor compartment, of course, it's the VIN number matched original motor. It's all stock. It does have the smog pump. They have taken the belt off of it, but everything is correct. The air cleaner, the finned aluminum valve covers, that comes with the L82 package. But everything under here is in really authentic looking condition. The AC compressor looks like it might have been replaced. It does have a sticker on it. And it was converted to R134. One of the receipts in there from like 15 years ago, it did charge the air conditioning system. So at least they did keep up with some maintenance. So why don't we, why don't I open that door? You peek inside there. Door panel's mint. This door jam's real nice. The interior is exceptional. It really is. Front to back, it's really nice. We'll start her up. The instruments are in excellent shape. The clock is ticking. Yeah, it looked like he lit a couple cigarettes in here. The vents are nice, the knobs, the mirror, the visors, bottom of the T-top. Bam, headlights zipped right open. Really nice in here. Has the ignition shielding, power steering, and power brakes. The gentleman that owned it passed away. His son brought us the car. His son never transferred ownership into his name, so we actually have the original title. Will be signed over to the next owner. And we did scan and put copies of the documentation on the website. And there's original sales literature in here. The maintenance records are in here. And then, of course, like I said, the window sticker and invoice, and when he paid off the loan, all of that's in here. So it comes with some cool paperwork. Here's an envelope from the original owner with the warranty booklet. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of this car. If you have specific concerns or questions, feel free to ask them. They can also make delivery, financing, and the paperwork real easy for you. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.